headlines. Centre allocates rupees 85,000 crore for empowerment of scheduled castes, OBCs and rupees 53,700 crore for scheduled tribe. Japan Manipur likely to be take cultural twin city, says Minister Jayant Kumar. And Air India flight with 324 Indians from China's Wuhan lanes in Delhi. Hello and good evening. Welcome to Times of Manipur. This is HARIPRIYA giving you the news in details. In a major announcement, the Narendra Modi government will sell part of its stake in Life Insurance Corporation LIC, launching an IPO. Amid public fears over the PMC Bank scheme, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said in her budget speech that the insurance cover for its depositor will be increased from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 5 lakh. No relief on income tax slabs or rates has been announced yet. The government has also relaxed fiscal deficit for financial year 2020 to 3.8% of the GDP and to 3.5% for financial year 2021. The Narendra Modi government has allocated Rs 85,000 crore for empowerment of scheduled castes and other backward classes, OBCs, and Rs 53,000 scheduled tribe. A Chennai-Bangalore expressway will come up soon and 100 new airports will be built by 2024, Nirmala Sitharaman said during her budget speech, according to media reports. The Narendra Modi government is likely to increase state spending on infrastructure and offer some income tax incentives, aiming to get growth back up from its lowest in a decade. The finance minister also said that Budget 2020 is broadly divided into three major themes: aspirational India, economic development, and building a caring society that is human. In its Economic Survey 2020 released yesterday, the Union government predicted that the economic growth would pick up to 6% to 6.5% in the fiscal year beginning April 1, but warned that it may have to exceed its deficit target to revive growth. Considering many similarities shared by Japan and Manipur in terms of culture, the two may be globally recognized as the cultural twin city very soon, said Manipur Art and Culture Minister L. Jayant Kumar today. He was speaking at the inaugural function of a two-day-long Indian International Dance Festival 2020 held on the theme Celebrating Dance Sans Division at the auditorium of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy, Imphal. The festival is jointly organized by Institute of Performing Arts and Identity, Atinga, and Salamskritiki, Orissa. Minister Jayant Kumar further underlined the need to remove all types of social stigmas to promote and develop Manipuri culture.
The force, the magnetic force of this arts and cultural activities that is prevalent in Manipur. Mani force chingaga IIDF kumba achaw makludi podamana Manipur all forms of dances madugi same platform to na bahagi sumai chong madugi ponderi banai same seba yamna kai kumna bam to kwa maso kuni appreciate to mukil pot na ni ha bedoi minister mo in field to yem sama phung dok jere to.
Art and Culture Director Ngangom Uttam Singh on the occasion said the state economy will only improve when the tourism department and art and culture work hand in hand. He called on all artists in the state to take initiative in finding sponsors rather than waiting for funds from the state government.
National integration, Manipur integrity kai bhi awe and Lauri. Integrity is the geographical integrity do khaktana di kana way. namfuda ngasai gi jail da khazal laga noi lemina da bayade na lebaduna di kana roy thamoi gi oiba integrity duni maroi di emotional integrity duni thamoi gi oiba integrity emotional integrity di art and culture gi khuthang da khatang purapang nangani na thazai aduna ai khoi gi sigumba function ama toroko matamda wan sinbagi pen da balai riba ai khoi resource le tabagi awaba mairu na riba sigumba platform ama da sigumba thoram ama sin bai bisi resources mayam ama darkar lai.
The first Air India flight evacuating 324 Indian nationals from coronavirus hit Wuhan, China landed in Delhi today morning at around 7:26. The 423-seaters Boeing 747 jumbo aircraft brought 324 passengers comprising 211 students, 110 working professionals and 3 minors who were stranded in the coronavirus hit China's city, media reports said. They will be taken to special quarantine camps set up in Manipur in Gurgaon district. Reports also informed that 4 initial check screening camps have also been set up at Delhi's Indira Gandhi International Airport. The crew, which is also learned to be under a 7-day lockdown, are unlikely to be allowed to meet even their families during this period. The flight with 5 cockpit crew, 15 cabin crew and a team of 5 doctors from Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in Delhi departed from the national capital around 12:30 p.m. the previous day and reached Wuhan late in the evening local time. Meanwhile, another Air India special flight to evacuate Indians from coronavirus hit Wuhan in China would depart from the Delhi airport this afternoon. Hours after the first flight with 324 passengers landed in the Indian capital today morning. According to media reports, 2 more people suspected of coronavirus have been admitted to Delhi's Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital. Total 8 suspected cases of coronavirus are admitted at the hospital. The samples of the 2 people have been sent for testing. The death toll in China's coronavirus epidemic spiked to 259 and total infections reached 11,791. Now let's have a short commercial break. Next, coming up, down to Ducks Imphal Cycle Road Bund ends peacefully.
This new year 2020, Lamjingba Group is coming up with a new project for the people called Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute Private Limited. Lamjingba Hospital and Medical Research Institute will be at your service from 7 February 2020. Our vision is to be the leading hospital in the region transforming healthcare. And our mission is to deliver quality, patient-centric healthcare at an affordable price.
Nauka Hearing Aid Center. Kumja lising ama chawpan marifom doi ki hona chai kuntramanga hena Notice India ahan hearing aid clinic mo ina lereklaba Nauka gi Imphal Center ma hangjare TV ma di phone konjel loinana nil khongum fam na tabangam da gi awaba mayok na di bana al kuding mag wabi rogano Nauka Hearing Aid Clinic ngasi maklengsin directuna completely invisible water resistant ama di rechargeable oida ba digital hearing aid hapiu tabangam gi pangalwala ba dom gi khangna chana ba single power sa tambio ai khoi gi leifam di Nagamapal Main Road Phawai Sangmam Laikai near Community Hall. Mobile number na 6000954159.
Wabiraganu Medilena pung kunmari chupna adongi yumda medical oxygen thinba lakpata natana installation tawwa yabagi khudong chaba pijari masita natana darkar laiba oxygen regulator amadi makhal khudingmaki oxygen mask na singba puraktuna miyamge mateng pangjari
loinana anab singamari leinaba makhal khudingmaki medical equipment sing foldable bed suction machine regulator monitor nebulizer wheelchair amadi oximeter na chingba leiba amadi waiba yabagi khudongchaba pijari adomsu ngasima call tawduna tanabiyu aikhogi contact number 9205987988 amadi Play Store da changbiduna Medline F download tabiyu.
Welcome back. A down-to-ducks ban call along the Imphal Cycle Road by Peace and Development Committee, a local organization, today ended peacefully. The ban was in protest against construction of Yumnam Patlok Bridge illegally and failure of the concerned authority to take action against the PWD officials and the contractor, according to the committee. Committee Secretary T.H. Hamzit Yumnam told media that doing things outside the established laws by some individuals is unfortunate. The authorities should take appropriate action against them, he demanded.
Assemble proof evidence. I could later power government Hajar the media to the Mamangi, media to the Hajar power, Hanna Tavidana, Housi power the government, to Minalesha Liba, Mara later, Nuntil Power to Huraliba, Sugum Lava, Department PWD Chief Engineer Amadi, Impalis Prakas, harvesting Matata, action local power, PDC Shina, Akan Kung Changsingani, Chenjao Pai, contractors Sinduga, Department of Managa, Aron to Chenjao. Tumjatauri, but singing Matanga Sipa, action local Maram, Ano Walenga Stena, Hangani, Ano Walengas, Natumatum, the action jail, Log the Vatar, Ayanba, Akam Kungjang Hen, Chanchilakini, which I made I told Tomzer.
As the death toll from China's coronavirus soared to over 250 and infecting more than 11,791 globally, with 26 countries confirmed reports, preventive measures have been stepped up by Manipur Health Services in the state. District Health Society Jiribam has set up coronavirus detection camp using infrared gun thermometers at the entry point of Jiribam bordering Assam since yesterday. CMO Jiribam Health Supervisor Saikom Jitain said that screening has been carrying on since yesterday.
Medical officer Jiribamgi Lamjing Makada Ngarang the Gisa Tazarakpa coronavirus screening Taubi Tabagasi, Zupabi Wenadi, suspected over Yava, Kiasaman Pop, Tinizadri, Akogi, outside India, the Satlubugi record, Nasi Pobi Wena, Lajadri, Aduga, Sunatagi, neighboring state, the Satlubugi record, Ayaman Oiba, Aduna, Zupabi Wenandi, virus acidity singing over Yava, Kiasaman Lajadri.
T-shirts, notebooks, pens and reading materials were distributed to students of Laikon Upper Primary School located at Imphal East, Kongba Makha, Nandaibam Lekai during a simple function at the school premises today. The event was jointly organized by BLMEC and SMC Laikol Upper Primary School. A meeting for parents and teachers committee was held during the program. Chief guest of the function, Thongju constituency Jila Parisad member Seram Niken said that parents and guardians play an important role in overall development of a school. He also held the teachers and parents of Laikol Upper Primary School.
Sigi stage sida laba matamda akoi makhatana sida loiba natri makhatana angang mayam sigi magi talent sing han toktana tongan ba field sing not only education academic line khatana tana to mayam ma se sana bada thawai yauba culture da natraga to pa field thawai yauba sing ase thidokana punna angang amabu mapung phana semina na boda bada koi community sigi daita makhatana dumang lairi sina loiba natri.
9 Chatkoi Laisutamba Haubanumit was observed today at Nongpok Chingu Thong Meitei Lekol of Tharo CP Lok Seloi Lanmai Ching. The event was attended by Commissioner of Arts and Culture Mongjam Joy, Secretary of Manipur State Kala Academy Laurembam Kishorjit, President of IMAG Laisem Inat Loisang Chabumang Ombi Chanu Henbi and Secretary Ahibam Lairik Leima.
Mirol Kayagidamak, Mang the Nabagidamak Tamjan Jaramba, Apam Baisa Singi Ojanabagidamana Kunjin Jaraga, Zatkoi Salai Sang Haiduna, Lisinganiga Tarani Toida, Masa Loisangama, Ima Laisem Dagi Kaidok Jaraga, Zatkoi Salai Sangda Sinajay. Zatkoi Salai Sangi Sintakpa Sintakpi Kayama Laisay, Isai Gida, Zatkoi Gida, Tang Tagida, Khongjom sayek ki jingba sigumba kanglai sai tharol haina panthona thogjanriba asigumba sayek saidam kayagi sintakpi singda layek lon oiraba mayam asi puthokjaraga sinajaduna mai loisang sida tambi bagi adugumlaba mapalak suba thoram adubu ningsingjaduna ngasi si pangthokjabani.
Federation of Government College Teachers Association Manipur today take a sit in protest at YK College, Wangjing, demanding implementation of 7 UGC Pay and Regulation 2018. The association has also decided to boycott classes and all academic activities except examination from 3rd of February. FEGOCTA informed this in a press release. It also appealed to the government to give a final cabinet approval to fulfill the demand. With the implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur completed 1 month today, 5 teams of Jiribam District Police conducted massive search drive at different places of the district this morning. The teams were led by Additional Superintendent of Police Law and Order, Jiribam H. Basulan Singh, under the supervision of Superintendent of Police Moirang Themubi Singh. They searched work sites, base camps and rented houses, during which around 300 laborers were verified. Temporary ILP cards were issued to 68 laborers on the spot. Warnings were also given to managers, supervisors and in charge of companies or godowns to strictly allow proper ILP guidelines. Kanglai Park Students Association KSA today expressed concern over the present administrative system in the prestigious Manipur University. KSA General Secretary S. Hamjit maintained that the varsity has presently neglected national and international level seminars, workshops and academic activities. A press release from the students' body informed that based on an investigation carried out by KSA, it has been revealed that failure of the administrator to seek monetary aid from MHRD, New Delhi, has made the university's future uncertain. KSA appealed to the concerned authority to look into the matter. Women's rights activist and social worker Urmila Chanam of Manipur has been awarded the prestigious international award, World Pearl Spirits Award for Sisterhood and International Recognition. The award was announced by CEO, co-founder of the world's largest social network of women, accompanied by jury board and community members on January 30 last at its headquarters in Oregon, USA. And now let's have another short commercial break. Do stay tuned for more updates.
One Queen, 7 subtitles. The biggest beauty pageant of Manipur, Miss Manipur 2019. Powered by Lamjingba Group. Don't miss the exclusive. Grand finale from 31st January to 4th February at 7 p.m. only on Times of Manipur.
Welcome back. Lambung Village Authority Chief Deputy Alam Anand expressed disappointment that Deputy Commissioner of Chandel Krishna Kumar has submitted a proposal to the higher authorities for construction of a medical college at Lambung Village of Chandel without the knowledge and consent of the landowners. Alam further said that local residents held a discussion and decided to donate the land for the proposed medical college at Kelthalon, which is 0 km from the district hospital Chandel. Alam also condemned the FEB Deputy Commissioner for conducting a survey at Lambung village without consulting the local residents. He further appealed to the concerned authorities to take steps for construction of the medical college at Kelthalon.
The District Medical College Government of Manipur Legani Haba Pau Tabagi, Koina Lamisi, Kelthalon Haba Lamsi, Koina Pige Hana. This is the Hibani, Adubu, Disina, a Koiki Kansai Yaudana, Masamatandana, Atopa, Lamungilam, Side Atopa da Yelaga, Sidel Mana, PBC Chumdaba, Mana proposed to Lam Adu Kona Yade, Kuna meeting Toraga, Kona Kelthalon, Haba, Asinatana, Atopa Lam Medical College Piro, Kona Yarabidi, Medical College to Kelthalon, have a district hospital in Naknamani, 0 kilometer. Sabio, do not trabdi, Lamongilan Atopa, Equina Police, the Motopiro.
President Ramnath Kovind has rejected a mercy petition filed by Bini Sarma, 26, one of 4 men on death row for gang raping a 23-year-old Delhi student, now known as Nirbhaya, in 2012, a media report said. The 4 men were scheduled to be hanged today, but a Delhi court postponed the execution indefinitely today. Their advocate AP Singh says their legal remedies have not been exhausted. Mukesh Singh, the oldest convict at 31, is the only one with no legal remedies left. His clemency plea was dismissed, and his appeal against that decision was thrown out by the Supreme Court. The judge who passed the order adjourning the convict's execution took note of their dilatory tactics. Their death warrants have now been deferred twice. Nirbhaya's mother, Asa Devi, said her hopes had been dashed and that the convicts had no rights to live. The Senate brought President Donald Trump to the brink of acquittal on the charges that abused his power and obstructed Congress as Republicans voted to block consideration of new witnesses and documents in his impeachment trial. According to sources, in a nearly part-line vote after a bitter debate, Democrats failed to win support from the 4 Republicans they needed. Trump's acquittal is becoming virtually certain. As the presidential impeachment proceeding reached its final phase, Democrats condemned the winner's vote and said it would render Trump's trial illegitimate and his acquittal meaningless. And now let's have the sports news. Malka Mahata Buyamayum of Manipur clinched 3 medals in the recently concluded 10 National Voninam Championship held at Anand in Gujarat from January 27 to 30. She also won a gold medal at the 9 National Vovinam Championship at the Guwahati last year. "21-year-old Sofia Kenin outstepped Spain's Garvin Muguruza 4-6, 6-2, 6-2 to win the Australian Open women's singles title, which also was her maiden Grand Slam trophy. USA's Kenin started the match with a positive intent but failed short from getting past her opponent in the opening set. However, showcasing some great control over her emotions, Kenin outplayed the Spaniard in the next 2 sets and ended the contest with ease. Kenin had advanced to the finals after defeating local star Ash Barty in the semis, while her opponent overpowered 2019 Wimbledon champion Simona Halep to make the final cut. This was the second encounter between the pair and the outcome was similar to the previous one. Kenin had last year defeated Muguruza 6-0, 2-6, 6-2 in China Open. In the ongoing 4th Heman Biro and Hemam Brozen Memorial State Level Under-13 Football Tournament 2020 at Moirang Multipurpose Higher Secondary School Moirang Sugnu FC defeated Fubalab FC by 3-0 today. However, the match between SYC and Kumbi FC ended in a draw with 3 goals each. The 4th Under-15 Rapid Chess Tournament has begun today at Salai Chess Academy, Uripok Hidrom Lekai, Imphal. The tournament organized by Salai Chess Academy will conclude tomorrow. Altogether, 19 players from different schools are participating in the tournament. Aerosmith Sharma of Samasaki High School, Jales Thaudam of Sisu Nisthaniketan, and Nadia Sawajam of Heritage Convent were leading after completion of 3rd round in the tournament. Before we close, let's see the top news headlines once again. Center allocates rupees 85,000 crore for empowerment of scheduled caste, OBCs and rupees 53,700 crore for scheduled tribe. Japan Manipur likely to be a cultural twin city, says Minister Jayant Kumar. And Air India flight with 324 Indians from China's Wuhan lands in Delhi. That's all for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us and keep watching Times of Manipur News Update and good night.